graphing practice. On this one you're actually going to be making a line graph. Alright, it says line graph here. Make sure you don't make a bar graph out of this. In your line graph you'll actually end up with 3 separate lines, one for the growth of each crystal in this data table here. So your graph is down here, so you've got your chart down here, and it tells you in the instructions how to set this up. So you're going to make a key underneath for clarification. The key should tell what color each thing is. So down at the bottom, okay, down at the bottom you should put down here that red is going to be for crystal A and blue for B, etc. Then it says make the x-axis start at 0. The x-axis, look at the letter X. It is a cross. The x-axis goes across, okay? Like the letter X is a cross, so X means across. So the x-axis, start at 0, label every other line as a day. So it's saying skip a line, then 1. So start at 0 here, skip a line, 1. Skip a line, 2. Skip a line, 3. Don't label every line and don't skip more than 1. Then the y-axis goes up and down, starts at 0, and each line will be marked at 2. So 2, 4, 6. So here was 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. going up. You're going to label the x and y axes. Day, right, went at the bottom. And you're measuring the height. So you're going to label the axes as day and height. Make sure you label them both. Then you're going to do all of the points. Let me pull this back down again. For crystal A. So take your red, and for day 1 you're going to have a height of 0. For day 2 a height of 1. For day 3 a height of 2. Go all the way across, make all of your dots on the graph, and then connect them. Do the same thing then for crystal B. In blue, you're going to do for day 1 a height of 0, day 2 a height of 2, etc. all the way across the graph. Draw the line between them and go on to crystal C. Do that in green, and you'll have 3 lines on your graph in 3 different colors showing the growth of each crystal. At that point, you'll be able to answer the questions on the next page that are about the graph that you just made. If you have any questions, come ask me.